One more time. QuickTime was not working well. I'm trying something else. Let's go back again over the ADT player. We agreed that private double X and Y, meaning the two variables are now private, and we're making sure that there is encapsulation involving here. Here we have the constructor that takes two arguments, X and Y coordinates of where the position of the mouse is. We're going to give it to those two instance fields that will be kind of available anywhere and through the whole class. Then we have the setter methods, the getter methods, and the draw method. Pay attention then to the draw method. Make sure that it is blue because that's the behavior, one of the behaviors the actual ball blue in the game has, which is the player. How do we actually make this work in the driver? So if I look at the MouseFollower. So what I did technically is I took pieces of bits of it. So these two variables over here are now instance fields. The rest pretty much is in the driver. If I look at DodgeGame, the first version of it, I can see that I put over here pretty much the show and the pause and declare that they were over here. What is the additional components? Well, here we have, I put a Boolean game on because this is not going to go on forever like with the MouseFollower. There will be a time in which the game is going to stop. I don't know, let's say when the game is over, that's one thing, and you're probably going to have some messages in there. I created an object of player, in this case it's called Bob, and I'm going to give information to that object because according to the constructor over here, it requires X and Y. X and Y is coming from the mouse X and mouse Y of the StdDraw. This tells you where the mouse is, the position, and the Cartesian plane. All right, once we enter the loop, just like it does in the MouseFollower, I want to make sure that at all the time we get the mouse location with the set method. Set X and set Y. I clear, I draw, I show, and I pause. So right now, pretty much behaves like the mouse follower, but is actually object oriented. So let's take a look at what happens over here. This is, I want you to reiterate that this is not the only way to write it. I'm just trying to integrate what we learned from colliding balls into this, but there are other ways to do that. There we go. It's lagging only because of the recording. If you try the code, you'll see that the actual ball is on the mouse. Okay, I guess this program works better. So now I'll get back to you with incorporating the colliding balls in there. See you soon.